Happy Information Wednesday, Shalisa Queen here. For my teaser video, we're talking about a concept of if you're involved in an accident, it's classified as your fault. Is your insurance company going to provide compensation for your medical bills? That is the question. So before I even jump into that, let's dissect typically how your auto policy reads. So bodily injury and property damage are required by law, and that's for third-party protection. Under an uninsured motorist is for your protection, and it's not required by law, but I highly recommend that you carry this, especially considering our demographic here in Arizona, with 1 out of 3 drivers not having insurance altogether. Now, with that said, in the event that you're in an accident with someone and it's your fault and you were hurt, your under an uninsured motorist coverage does not provide compensation or protection for you in this instance. The reality is you don't really have any protection against yourself when it comes to your auto policy. You do in terms of your property because you have likely comp or collision for your vehicle. But in terms of bodily injury, the only way you can provide any kind of coverage for yourself is by opting in for what's called medical pay. Medical pay comes in many denominations, and it ranges from $1,000 to $50,000. And of course, the premium does vary depending on the vehicle, your age, your history, things like that. But for those of us who carry health insurance and have a higher deductible, it's a great way to make sure that we have protection. Because the reality is your health insurance will 100% fit the bill for anything that happens to you. However, they are going to battle you because they're going to try to, of course, pass the buck to your auto insurance company, which again does not have any protection for you against yourself unless you have that MedPay. MedPay does cover you and anyone inside your vehicle. So it definitely is a great option to make sure that you have some level of protection in the event that you're injured in an accident, whether it's your fault or somebody else's. As always, hope you enjoyed today's conversation. Remember to ask yourself, are you protected? You can give me a call at 480-478-0030 or request a quote at gotprotectionaz.com. We'll see you next week.